There are two seas on this earth that meet each other, touch each other, and yet they don't mix. One is fresh and sweet, one is salty and bitter, and between them is an invisible wall. Allah described this 1400 years ago. In Surah Ar-Rahman, He has released the two seas meeting together. Between them is a barrier which they cannot pass. Scientists didn't discover this until 1873, when an expedition called the Challenger found invisible lines separating two bodies of water. Lines you can't see with the naked eye, but they're there. They called it the halocline, a barrier formed by the difference in salt and density, so precise, so deliberate that each body of water keeps its own temperature, its own color, its own creatures right next to each other without crossing. But Allah didn't just mention the barrier, He gave it a name, barzakh. The same word used in the Quran for the barrier between this life and the next. Think about that. Two worlds touching right next to each other and yet separated by something you can't see. Allah used the same word for the ocean and for death.